Hi there. Christmas is a very interesting period of the year. And I'm saying so because this is a time in the year where we see families getting together, friends coming together, and also individuals out there getting time to relax, getting time to unwind after a busy calendar year. Also, this is the time where people out there are taking stock of how their year has been and most importantly, planning for their new year. So, that period between Christmas to the New Year period is an essential period. If you are business savvy, you might just jump into some opportunities which you could use to be able to make money during this festivity period for Christmas to the New Year period. That's why in this video I'm going to discuss with you 7 business ideas you could look to exploit for Christmas and New Year period. You are all much welcomed to the Money Daily YouTube channel. My name is Afaza Sifuna. By the way, if you're new here, kindly consider subscribing to this channel. Subscribe and also turn on the post notifications for you to be getting notified each and every time I upload awesome videos like this. Thanks for subscribing. Having said that, the very first business idea one might look to jump into for Christmas and New Year festivity period is the idea of outside catering. We all know food is an essential thing for anybody's existence out there, and food is awesome at bringing people together. Of course, over Christmas period and New Year, most people out there coming together, whether it's families or friends. Why not use that opportunity to provide outside catering services? In case you are a talented chef, you know how to make different kinds of foods out there. You have a few networks which you could leverage to start catering for people out there as they're getting together. Why not jump on this opportunity? People out there might be able to enjoy your delicacies and even recommend you to many more people out there. These, you could actually jump on the opportunity and in fact be able to make tens of thousands of profit over the Christmas and New Year period. More so if you go what you do and also you build the solid networks which are going to assist you be able to foster your business. Right? And then the second business idea you could look to exploit for this festivity period is the idea of assisting companies out there activate their products and also introduce new services to the market. Look here, guys. Just the same way individuals out there have money around Christmas period, they have worked so hard, they are set throughout the year. Also, companies tend to pump money to the market around this festivity period. That's so because they know that actually people out there are going to be spending big. So companies are actually putting lots of money in promotion and also in advertisements out there. Why not be one of the people who's assisting companies out there to be able to bring their products into the market through different product activations and also introducing new services to the market. And with this, you might just be able to get gigs which can last even a week or two and end up making good amounts of money, even sometimes to the tune of upwards of a few $1,000s in a month. This is an awesome opportunity, and most of the times it doesn't require you really to have any technical know-how. You just need to know what to do and also have done such kind of things before and might just be well in business. And then the third idea which you could look to exploit is the idea of you sourcing for Christmas trees, for Santa Claus attires, and so forth, and then selling these to families out there. It is a Christmas tradition for most families out there, for example, to buy the Christmas tree. And also, others go to the extent of even buying Santa Claus attire regularly. Why not be the broker for this? You could go out there, get these Christmas trees and also Santa Claus attire at a cheap price because you're going to be buying in bulk, and then sell to families out there, sell to individuals out there piecemeal. With this, you will be able to make good amount of profit. Trust me, you're going to be able to make good amounts of money. And in fact, for this, you're going to be able to make money in quick succession to the tune of even thousands of dollars in just a week or two. This is something that's in demand, this is something that's seasonal, and of course, producers know that. You could be able to buy in bulk and even sell individually to people out there, and will just be well in business for a week or two. And then the fourth business idea also related to that, which you could look to exploit, is the idea of you wrapping gifts for people out there. Of course, as mentioned, during Christmas period, people are out there purchasing things left, right, center, whether it is at supermarkets, whether it is at malls, whether it is at individual retail stores, and so forth. People are out there purchasing things left, right, center for themselves, for their friends, for families out there. But not all these shops have time for doing decent wrapping of gifts and everything each and every person is purchasing. Why not be the bridge for that? Offer very sophisticated, awesome, and very appealing wrapping services, and you might just be well in business. And of course, for this kind of business, you're going to be piggybacking on other businesses. So you need to establish yourself near these big kind of like business which are selling things in bulk, and those clients are going to be passing by your small store or even your small tent outside there for you to do awesome wrapping for them, right? And then the fifth idea, which you could possibly look to exploit for this particular period in time, is you selling books, literature relating to Christmas and New Year, and even you selling stationery which school-going children are going to need for the new year, right? I know this kind of idea doesn't seem to be suiting really much for Christmas period, but trust you me, most of the times families and even parents out there are kind of tired at the Christmas period for them to go out there to do shopping. If you can really avail these products to them, of course, at a fair price, you might just end up selling these products in volumes, even though at a small margin, and end up making a good amount of money. And most importantly, in case you have your own literature related to Christmas, okay, related to New Year, why not sell these and why just be well in business, and in fact, you're gonna make good amount of money of your original work, right? And then the sixth business idea which you could look to exploit is the idea of you serving as a broker or an influencer for travel and tour companies. The same way people out there, for example, bonding with families in their houses and so forth, also we have a good portion of people out there who like to travel a lot during the Christmas period, right? And with this, you might just be well in business in case you're also serving as a broker or even an influencer for travel and tour company out there, because it's gonna be a win-win situation. You're gonna assist them get clients, and of course, they're gonna give you a commission of the work you're gonna be doing. And in case you have a good following on social media platform, you might even command a very hefty paycheck upfront before you assist these kind of companies to do promotions or even act as an influencer for them. If you have the following, or if you have the passion for marketing, why not assist these tour and travel companies out there, get clients, and then end up getting a commission or even getting a paycheck upfront for your services, right? And then the seventh business idea which you could look to exploit is the idea of you baking, selling for this for people out there, selling for gatherings out there, cakes, pastries, and anything relating to baking. And I'm saying so because with this party mood, with people being indoors and so forth, also the consumption of pastries, confectionaries out there, kind of cakes and so forth are very, very high. Most of the different kinds of cakes out there, why not bake and sell to families, sell to gatherings, even sell to organizations out there? Because there's a good number of organizations out there, for example, who are doing end of year party and so forth. Be good at it, of course. Bake, make good name for yourself out there, and just around this Christmas festivity period, you might be able to be in huge business. And by the way, if you're very good at this, even might end up making six figures just in December alone. And this is because we're talking about individual clients, families, groupings, and also corporate clients out there. And with this different spectrum of clients, you might just be able to do pastries for them, to make cakes for them, and end up making good amount of money. What do you think about these 7 business ideas?